Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today I'm going to share an idea with you that was given to me by a friend of mine in occupational therapy. The question was regarding a dishwasher, that a client was having difficulty opening the door because of weakness in grip in arthritic fingers. The client came up with the idea of using a suction cupped grab bar that you would typically use in the bathroom on the front of the dishwasher door. Now again, the dishwasher that was being used actually automatically unlocked, so all that the client needed to do is open the door. On my dishwasher here, it actually has a little lever up here that I have to unlock by hand, so my door won't just automatically pull open, so I have to unlock that lever. But in the other scenario, the door automatically unlocked. So in this case, all you would have to do here is grab a hold of this bar and pull the door open. So you could pull it open or push it shut just with this suction cup grab bar. Now the other thing I was thinking about in the process of this, because mine has to be unlocked manually, is to actually use something like this, which is a dressing stick, to assist in that situation. So if I couldn't grab up in under here and release that, this little dressing stick came in handy. Just by sliding this up under there and pushing up and pulling out, I was able to unlock the dishwasher. I hope this video has been helpful. If you liked what you've seen, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.